It's been a turbulent 2022 for the oil markets. Things seem to have settled down a little bit. The price is trading around 70 to 80, not exactly a big problem. Have we found some sort of equilibrium here, or is 2023 going to be just as volatile?
I think 2023 is going to be pretty volatile, and even the years after that. I'm convinced, Tamor, that at the end of last summer, the oil market exited about a 7-year bust phase, dominated by oversupply. And it entered what's going to be a multi-year boom phase, where demand will be very strong, much stronger than expected, and we've reduced investment. So we're in the foothills. That means we can go up or down as we did this year. I mean, we started this year around 80. We're ending this year around 80. But we went to, as you noted, 130, intraday almost 140 in a huge round-trip trade. I don't think the volatility is going away. We have huge fundamental geopolitical and macroeconomic uncertainties, and spare production capacity, that ability for OPEC Plus to balance the market, is challenged, even though the Saudis, as they've noted, they're doing a darn good job at the end of the year here. But it's going to be very difficult in this turbulent market.
So tell me, what is going to determine the supply picture? You talked about underinvestment. So is that the most significant factor in satisfying demand next year?
Yeah, the most significant supply factor just for next year is going to be the impact of the EU embargo on Russian oil imports, and then the price cap associated with that. This is completely new. We've never been here before. Russia's the largest oil exporter in the world, if you think about both crude and refined products. The market got sort of scared earlier this year, right? The IEA told us we were going to lose 3 million barrels a day of Russian supply in April, said this in March. That's why crude oil prices soared so quickly in March. But then when Russian supply didn't go, off the market, the price fell. So, we have this expression here, boy who cried wolf. I think the market is in a little bit of a complacent mood with regard to Russia. And they're saying, well, we'll believe it when we see the Russian supply go off. We think it will. We think it's starting to. Crude oil exports, seaborne crude oil exports from Russia, looks like, according to Vortex data, down 24% or so in December this month from last month. So it's starting to happen, but the market, I think, is going to want to see it before it prices it in and reacts to it.